Tara, subukan naman natin tong sightseeing bus dito sa Taipei na magsisimula sa train main station at iikutin ang city at makita ang mga tourist spot na nandito. Guys, kung gusto nyo ma-experience tong sightseeing bus, lalo na kung dito kayo nagtatrabaho sa Taiwan, papakita nyo lang yung ARC nyo, makakatipid kayo. Bali, round trip 170, yun lang ang presyo bawat isang tao. Bago ililibot na kayo nito dito sa 101 Chiang Kai-shek. Pero ang pagkakaiba lang nun, pag yung katulad dun sa ibang ticket, once na bumaba na kayo dun sa station na yon or sa destination nyo, hindi na kayo pwede ulit sumakay. Kailangan nyo na ulit bumili ng panibagong ticket. Doon sa train main station, lalabas ka lang sa M4 para doon mo makita yung sakayan nitong bus. Pwede ka na rin doon magbayad mismo or di kaya sa online kung ano yung option na gusto mo.
Examples include the treasured flag of the Commander-in-Chief of the National Revolutionary Army and the seal of the Commander-in-Chief. Off at the next stop, Taipei 101 Mall Station. From there, you can walk over to 44 South Village and Elephant Mountain. 44 South Village was once a community for military service personnel and their dependents. In 2003, the buildings there were listed as historical structures, renamed the City Public Assembly Hall. Now it houses art and culture exhibitions. Also, a variety of foods that were once served in the military dependent village available here. It's a great place to experience a military community once so prevalent in Taiwan, or just to get back and relax. The nearby Elephant Mountain is similar to the village. It's one of the four East Mountains, along with Tiger Mountain, Lion Mountain, and Leopard Mountain. Standing at the top of Elephant Mountain gives you a bird's eye view of the Taipei Basin.
Picture!
Morning, evening, or night, it's a favorite destination for exercise or taking in the scenery. This is the best place to view Taipei 101.
Sayang, nakaharang guys.
Taipei 101 building. Taipei 101 is 508 meters tall with 101 stories above ground and 5 below. When this landmark was completed in 2004, it was the tallest building in the world for 5 years. In July 2011, it was recognized as a green building when it was awarded the top honor in the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design (LEED) building rating system, achieving the highest level, platinum. It was designed by architect C.Y. Lee to resemble a towering stock of section bamboo. Starting from the 27th floor, Taipei 101 has 8 main sections that resemble Renbao, traditional Indian.
Yun, pabalik na tayo kung saan tayo sumakay kanina. Halos inabot din ng 40 to 1 hour ang biyahe or pag-iikot dito sa city. Next stop naman natin, National Taiwan Museum, kung saan makikita yung mga iba't ibang artifact at yung mga sinaunang gamit ng Taiwan. Tara, sabay-sabay nating pagmasdan ng mga nasa loob. may maliit din silang auditorium kung saan makikita mo yung mga tanawin na makikita dito sa Taiwan. Copyright ako. Konting lakad lang, matatagpuan nyo naman ang Ximending Market kung saan maraming tourist ang nagagala dito. At syempre, titikman yung milk tea na sikat dito. Ito pala yung milk tea na sikat dito. Malapit lang to sa main train station. Kaya halos marami na kayong magagawa pag maggagala kayo dito. Punta muna sa National Taiwan Museum bago sabay gagala na rin dito. Yan, pagkatapos kumain, bago pahinga ng konti, uwian na. Kasi medyo malayo-layo pa rin ang biyahe. Ganito pala karami ang mga nagmomotor dito. Kaya hanggang sa muli.